Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Piwigo on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. First, update package lists and upgrade existing packages. Then, clean up unnecessary packages. You need to set default policies. Then, allow essential ports. After that, enable and check UFW. Next, install the required packages: Apache, MariaDB, PHP, extensions, and utilities. Next, enable PHP-FPM. Then, disable default PHP and NPM modules. Continue to enable required Apache modules. After that, restart Apache. Enable services to start on boot. Run the security script. Next, set the root password, remove anonymous users, disable remote root login, and remove the test DB. Then, access the MariaDB shell. Creates a database for Piwigo. Creates a dedicated user with full access. Edit the PHP-FPM configuration. Modify these values. These settings ensure large file uploads and better script execution time. Then, restart PHP-FPM. Create a new virtual host file. Then, paste the following configuration. Next, enable virtual host and check the config. Run the following command to download the latest release of Piwigo. Next, unzip and deploy Piwigo. Then, set the correct permissions. Now, navigate to the following URL in your browser. Next, input the database details. Continue by setting the admin login and password. After that, click Start Installation. Finally, you have successfully installed and configured Piwigo on your Ubuntu 22.04. The gallery is ready to use. Feel free to explore themes, plugins, and start uploading your photos.